Hi students, now we are going to discuss a new chapter, chapter 4, simple equations. For that, what about expression? First word is expression. What about the expression? Expression means a combination of a variable and a constant term is known as a expression. They are combined with fundamental operation. What are the fundamental operations? How many fundamental operations are there? There are 4 fundamental operations. Which are they? Plus, minus, in multiplication and division. They are the 4 fundamental operations. So, expression means the combination of a variable and a constant terms. They are combined with plus sign or minus sign or multiplication or division. They are known as a expression. Example, 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. X is a variable and 3 is a constant, like this way. They are connected with which operation? Here plus operation. Next, another one. 4 by minus 7, like this. Another example, here see, y is a variable, 7 is a constant, and they are connected with which is operation? Minus operation. Or 6x divided by 2, like this way. 6x by 2. Another example. So here also, they what are the things here? There are variable also there, a constant term also there. They are connected with which operation? Division operation. Then next, 2x means they are connected with which operation? Multiplication. Into 6 means they are connected with the multiplication operation, like this way. So we can say expression means the combination of a variables and a constant terms. They are connected by the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division operations is known as a expression. Next word is equations. What about equation? Next word, that is our chapter name, simple equation. Equation means there are also combination of a variable and constant terms are there. Then they have equations of right hand side and the left hand side. Example, here example is 3p plus 7 is equal to 90, like this way. Here see, here equality symbol is there, equal this side represent as a left hand side, equal right side represent as a right hand side. So equations have equality symbol, they also the combination, they also a expression in one side a variable coming and another side a constant terms are coming. We want to verify the left hand side answer and the right hand side answer, both are equal, means that equation satisfied with that solution. That is the meaning of the equation. The word equation means, I hope you can understand what about equation and what about expression. Then next we go through exercise 4.1. In 4.1, exercise 4.1, here they asking check the given variable value is satisfying or not, checking it is a solution of that given expression or equation or not, checking that type of question. First row mention like that. So first question give it as 9 plus 5 equal 9. It is an equation. Here equation means it have equal symbol. Equal symbol have left hand side, equal symbol have a right hand side, and say that n value equal 1, meaning here n place which value we want to substitute? 1 substitute in the left hand side and check the left hand side answer. That answer is equal to right hand side. Checking, that is the first exercise, first Roman tells us. So we going to put a n as put n value as 1. So in the left hand side of our expression, expression left hand side is which one? N plus 5. Here n place which value we want to substitute? 1. 1 plus 5 become how much? 6. Then same way RHS of our equation, say look at what is the RHS 1 and is it right? Left and right answer is same? No, that's why we can say LHS is not equal to RHS. That's why n equal 1 is not a solution, solution of given equation. In this way we want to write. That is the first Roman checking type question. Is it a solution of the given equation or not? So first question I hope you can understand. The next second question, same model, second question. How to write? Is it a solution or not? Second question they given as 7n plus 5 equal 19. Put n as 2 minus 2 as a number. In this way they given, meaning our left hand side n place a minus 2 substitute and calculation doing time it is equal to right hand side 19 checking. So we going to substitute. So first they put a n place as a minus 2. So left hand side of our expression taking as 7n plus 5. Then 7n means 7 into n is the meaning. So 7 into n place n value how much they given as substituting a minus 2 plus 5. So calculation 7 into 2 become how much? 14 and minus sign is there. So minus 14 plus 5 become how much? Minus 9 is the answer. One is negative, other is positive. What we want to do? Subtract and put a big numbers. And then right side answer. What about our RHS answer? Right hand side of that equation is which number they given? A 19. Is it minus 9 and 19 equal? No. Therefore we can say LHS is not equal to RHS. That's why what we can say. Therefore n equal minus 2 is not a solution of this equation. In this way write and stop. The next step, third question. I hope you can understand this one. For third question also same process only. Same process. One more question is there. Here third question also 7n plus 5 equal 19. Put n value as a plus 2. In this way they given. Here also same procedure. Which value we want to put instead of n place a plus 2. So LHS of our equation take LHS means left hand side. Which side that one? 7n plus 5 is our LHS part. Then 7n means 7 into n value. N value how much? 2. So 7 into 2 plus 5. 7 2s are how much? 14. So 14 plus 5 comes to be how much? 19. Then what about the right hand side of the equation? That also how much? 90. See now left hand side answer also equal, right hand side answer also become equal. Both are equal. That's why we can say that n equal to is a solution of a given equation. This way we want to first Roman like this type of questions they are asked. I hope you can understand. So remember equation means it is a combination of a variable, then variable and constant. 5 is a constant term and they are connected by a addition or a subtraction or a multiplication or a division. Then equation case left and right side is expression case not like that, just expression only. But equation means it have a equal symbol left hand side and right hand side. That chapter we are going to learn in this one. I hope you can understand the first Roman. Next we go through second Roman of this first exercise. Second Roman they tells about solve the following equation by a trial and error method. Trial and error method using and solve this equation. 5p plus 12 equals 71. Equation is given. The trial and error method applied and solve this equation and find out which variable in this expression, p variable value. That is the meaning of the question. Find out the solve a p variable value. In which way they are asking? Not direct way, they are asking a trial and error. Trial and error means first we put a p place 0, then check it left and right side same answer or not. Not means next we place one substitute, again check left hand side and right hand side same answer or not. Not coming means again go through p value as a 2, again checking right, solving the right and left same answer or not. Not coming means again we go through p as, put p as 3 and substitute p place 3, then right and left side same answer or not. Checking that procedure we known as a trial and error method. I hope you can understand. Solving time you can understand that. First step, first what we want to do, trial and error method they ask. That's why first we put p variable as 0. P place where p at that place we substitute as 0. Left hand side of the equation taken 5p, p place 0 substitute plus 12 is the left hand side of our equation. Any number multiplied by 0, what is the answer? 0. 0 plus 12 is equal to how much? 12 is the answer. Then what about our RHS answer? RHS answer is 70. That's why LHS answer is not equal to RHS answer. So what we can say, P equal 0 is not a solution of this equation. Next again we continue. That is a question, trial and error. We trying that. Put a p as 1. In same way left hand side of the expression take 5p plus 12 is our left hand side of the equation. P place 1 substitute and checking answer becomes 17 or not. Right side answer getting or not. 5 into 1, 5 plus 12 comes to be how much will be coming there? 12 plus 5 comes to be 17 is coming there. So we can write it as a p place which value is substituting 5 plus 12 comes to be how much? 17. That's why we can say then here already RHS part also which answer there is 17. Left and right are same answer. So therefore we can say LHS answer is equal to RHS answer. Left and right side answer become equal. This method we known as a trial and error method. One more question. Here we want to checking. So what is that solution? Put x is equal to 1 is the solution for that given equation. One more question. Second question. 3m minus 14 equal 4. We want to check. So here also trial and error method. How to solve it? First we put a m as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that numbers we want to substitute that. So we substitute in time LHS part of our equation take 3m minus 14 is the LHS part. 3 into m plus 0 minus 14. Any number multiply with 0. What is the answer? 0 minus 14 because how much? 40. What is our RHS part? That is 4 only. So here also LHS is not equal to RHS. So what we can say, m equal 0 is not a solution of this equation. Again continue. Put m equal 1. M place a 1 substitute. So LHS of our equation consider. LHS of our equation is 3m minus 14. That means m place 1 substitute. The 3 into 1 become 3 minus 14. 14 minus 3 comes to be how much? Minus 11 is the answer. One is positive, other is negative. What we want to do? Subtract and put big numbers aside. But RHS answer is how much? Plus 4 is RHS answer. So we can say LHS and RHS are not equal. So m equal 1 is not a solution. Again we continue. Next, which value we want to substitute? Put m is equal to 0, 1 completed. Next, 2 substitute. Again, LHS part consider. In LHS part, 3m minus 14 is our LHS part. M place 2 substitute minus 14. 3 into 2 become how much? 6. 6 minus 14 become how much? Yeah, minus 8. One is positive, other is negative. What we want to do? Subtract and put big numbers. And 14 minus 6 become how much? 8, which is bigger number 14. So symbol of 14 is minus, that's why minus 8. Our RHS answer is how much? Plus 4. Here also we can say LHS answer is not equal to RHS answer. That's why we can say M equal to is not a solution of this given equation. Next, again we continue. That is our question, trial and error method. Again we continue. Put M equal 3. M place 3 substitute. Continuing time LHS part consider. 3m minus 14 is our LHS side. 3 into m place 3. So 3 3s are how much? 9 minus 14. 14 minus 9 comes to be how much? One is positive, other is negative. Subtract and put to big number side. So answer become minus 5. Our RHS answer is how much? RHS answer is 4, but here we get minus 5. So we can say LHS and RHS are not equal to equal. That's why m equal 3 is not a solution of this equation. Again we continue. Again we want to continue. Next 3 completed. Next we substitute m value was 4. So LHS of that expression take 3 m minus 14 is our LHS part. So 3 into m place 4 substitute. 3 4s are how much? 12 minus 14. So answer become how much? One is positive, other is negative. Subtract and put a big number. Minus 2 is the answer. RHS answer is plus 4. So here also LHS answer is not equal to RHS answer. Then next step again, so that's why M equal 4 is not a solution of this given equation. Again we continue. Put m place as 5. So LHS part consider 3m minus 4 is our left hand side. M place which value we want to substitute? 5 minus 4. 14. 3 into 5 minus 14. 3 into 5 become how much? 15 minus 14 become how much? 1 is the answer. What about RHS answer? RHS answer is 4. So here we can RHS is not equal to LHS. Here also m equal to 5 is not a solution of this given expression. Again we continue. Our aim is to, when we getting the solution up to there, that is a question, trial and error method. Again we continue. Put m as 6. Put m place 6 substitute. That means LHS of that equation take 3m minus 14 is our LHS part. M place 6 substitute. 3 6 are how much? 18 minus 14. What is the answer? One is positive, other is negative. Subtract 18 minus 14 become 4. RHS answer also how much? 4. Now we get LHS answer and RHS answer are equal. Therefore m equal 6 is a solution of a given equation. Solution of a given equation. That is the meaning of the trial and error method. I hope you can understand how to find out the trial and error method. This is a second Roman question. Next we go through third Roman. Third Roman they tells about they give a statement. With the help of the statement, they write to the equation. Third Roman, they says that statement is giving with the help of the statement, write down the equation. First question they given as the sum of. First question they given as sum of number x and 4 is in this way statement is given. How to write as this an equation form, how to write here see the sum means what we want to do, and which number x and 4 are, and so x plus 4 is means it represent as equal. How much is the answer? 9. In this way, right? They give us in a statement, we convert the statement to the equation form. That is the third Roman of this exercise mentioned. The second question also like that. To subtract To subtract from y is 8 in this way. To subtract from y. So subtract from y means from after coming number write first, afterwards second. 2 is subtracted from which number? Y. So y from after coming number write y minus subtracted with which number? 2. And that is represent as equal. What answer will get in there? 8 is the answer. So we convert the statement to the equation form. Then third question, same model question. 10 times a is 17. In this way they given 10 times a is 7. 10 time represent as a which operation? Into operation. A is means in which way we can write equal. What is the answer? 70. 10 into a become how much? 10a is equal to 70 is our equation. This is our third question. This way statement they giving a convert to the equation. Same way next Roman also like that only. Next Roman they tells about the equation they given a same way write as in the expression form. So one more question, same model, one more question. Here fourth question that tells that the number b divided by 5 gives 6. In this way statement given. How to write it? Which number? The number b. In which what operation? Division means fractional form. Divided by which number? 5. Gives means it represents as equality symbol. It gives how much? 6 is the answer. So in this way statement read and write as in the equation form. One more question for fifth question. 3/4 of t is 15. 3/4 of t is 15. How to write as in the equation form? 3/4 how we can write? 3/4. It will read as a 3/4. Of means into which variable? T. Is means equal. Which number? 15. The result to become a 50. 3/4 into t means how we can write? Coefficient is 3/4. T is equal to 15. This way finally clearly we can write that statement convert to an expression, equation. I hope you can understand. Some more questions are there, solve that means. So I hope you can. Next Roman also same way. Next Roman what they tell you means the equation is given. How to write b by 5 equals 6. How to write as a statement form? The number b divided by 5 gives which answer? 6. Here equation is given 3/4 t equal 50. How to say this statement? 3/4 means 3/4 of which variable? T. Is equal means is. Which answer will coming a 50. Like this way. Next Roman they tells about expression given, equation given right as in the statement form. I hope you can understand this model questions. Thank you. Next part, next way we can discuss. Thank you.